Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to a rewind plan with me. I am showing you the kit that I used for the week of January 29th. This is a bit late. It is the December mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co. I love it. It's like florals and marble and light wood and just really pretty pastel colors and like relaxing deco. I really do love it. So I had a bit of like a saga with this. I sat down to rewind plan and I like to like match all my accessories beforehand before I start doing this. And I'm going through everything and I'm like looking at my washi. I'm like, okay, do I want to do my Simply Gilded rose gold washi, this mauve one with like this pretty, I think, is that the Stella color palette from Clever Gal Crafts with rose gold foil? Or do I want to do the light pink and silver washi? And I couldn't decide, so I like posted in the Simply Gilded group on Facebook. I waited like 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and everybody was like split half and half. Half the people were like, do silver, half the people were like, do rose gold. And I was like, oh gosh. And I had already posted on my Instagram in an Instagram story with a poll. At that point, it was like 70-30. I'm failing at showing you my Instagram, but I don't know, it kind of went back and forth. It was always more on the rose gold side on Instagram, and it seemed like it was maybe a little bit more on the silver side on Facebook. And I'm not kidding you, I sat here for probably like an hour just being like, what washi do I use? And I was so indecisive. I decided that I wasn't going to do any of them because I literally could not pick. And I know that's the silliest thing in the world, but like that's my life. At this point, actually, what was it? So I'm using my paper cutter because I was still thinking I was going to use washi at this point. So I'm slicing down the washi with my paper cutter, and normally I would just like trim off the top of the washi with scissors. I wouldn't care if it was a super straight line because I'd put the washi down on top of it so you wouldn't really see it. It wouldn't matter. But the top of this washi is marble, and I wanted to keep that, so I wanted to trim the bottom, which I needed to keep super straight. So I did, for a second here, I was like rose gold and mauve, because the mauve I think matched the kit a lot better. But then I put it down and I didn't cut it well enough, and it was just like too much, and I was like, you know what, no washi. And that was that. I just like didn't use any washi besides the washi that the kit came from. So like, though, I don't know, just like so pointless. Like, I can't tell you how long I sat there and how hard I thought about this and how I like genuinely read people's comments and thoughts and my Instagram messages and everything. And then I was like, no, none of it. I'm not having any of it. Because it did. I don't know. Did you think when you kind of saw me lay it down, it didn't look good, right? Like it, I don't know. The bottom washi that the kit came with is so simple and pretty and perfect. Just the florals, the marble. So that's where I landed. That's how my life goes. If you're wondering what it's like to be friends with me, I think it's probably pretty much like that, where I'm like, I don't know. And then I don't do anything. But I did choose a foil color, and it was silver, because I think that the colors of the kit lend better to silver, and it's just like very wintry. I've been super, and I don't think I've used actually last week the week following this I used rose gold rose gold foil, but I've been using silver for like all of winter because it just matches like everything that's cool toned, and like the pinks, it's just very wintry. So I've been really loving that lately, which is funny because I like, when I was first getting into foil, I almost didn't buy any silver because I didn't think that that would even be something that I cared about. I was talking about something and I totally lost track. Oh, yeah, I remember. So I liked the silver to just go with all the stickers, but I didn't love the pink of the washi, the Simply Gilded Bow washi. I thought that the pink didn't really match as well. And then I really liked the mauve color of the mauve washi with the rose gold bow. So like if I would have had silver bows with the mauve washi, I would have done that in a heartbeat. But I didn't. So this is what I ended up with, no washi. By the way, the sidebar ended up being like very, there was no color to it. It was only black and gray and marble. So I added some of the deco, just kind of like intermittently, randomly placed in there to kind of give it some color, and I like how it looks. Oh, this is my pen. It's a Uniball Signo DX in a 0.38, and again, I just kind of put the date covers down and then filled in the Y where the date cover covered the Y of January. I was going to use the Scribble Prints Co dots, but apparently I'd already used up this week. I don't know how. So I'm using these silver foiled ones from my newest addiction. She probably makes my favorite. See, that washi looks so good by itself. It really didn't need the bows. It would have been too much. It would have been way too much. Oh, also, if you've been following my sad whiteout saga, I think this like umbrella shaped one that I got in a Glam Planner mystery kit probably like a year or two ago. It's like big enough for my like stupid toddler hands and I can work it. So that's exciting. Anyways, what I was saying is I think I like these date dots the best out of any foil date dots that I have because they're like the only ones that are big enough that are like sized right. I don't know what that's about. All my date dots are like tiny where I'm like, this isn't made for an Erin Condren planner. This is made for like a tiny planner. Okay, and then this week too, it's confusing to me because the last plan with me I posted was for the week after this. This is just a really late rewind plan with me, so I like keep wanting to say last week because I already did a like voiceover and posted that video, but really it's the week previous. But the last video that I posted, I also did my full boxes in the same way that I'm doing them now, which is that I lined up the glitter headers, or just I also use regular headers in this. I lined up the headers with the top of the box in the Erin Condren and kind of had the sticker full boxes go below the like natural line of the planner, and I think it looks nice. I really like that it doesn't impede into the date cover, so like there's space between the header and the date covers. And also, since I trimmed the washi to make it smaller, which I just like better in general, I only put one box on the bottom row. That was on Friday, and it doesn't overlap the washi, which I really like too. Okay, so on to my day by day. After I put all of the black glitter headers over all the boxes, I put the today headers underneath the boxes or on top in the case that the box was on the bottom. I used the flag from the kit and a asterisk from Simply Watercolor Co to mark my time card being due, and then that really cute alarm clock, and that, let's see, I matched that with a silver bow from Simply Watercolor Co. Clever Gal Crafts to mark that a project at work started, and then that nail polish sticker is from GP Sticker Studio. I think those are probably my favorite nail polish stickers. That pink just goes with everything. It's like I want to paint my nails that color pink, but B, it matches like every pink spread in my planner. I don't know how, but it's just such like a chameleon color pink. So I love that. I took that marble laptop case, which was also from the deco in the kit, and I took another one of the bows from Clever Gal Crafts. The colorway is escaping me right now. Was it Millie maybe? Yeah, probably. And I put the bow kind of layered on top of it to mark that I was posting my plan with me on that Monday. And then I just trimmed down a 3-heart checklist from the kit to mark 3 to-dos that I did on Monday. And then I put this today header up here, and then I realized that that's wrong and it's supposed to actually go underneath. So I peeled that up at some point, and I marked a coffee date. It's been like 2 weeks since this has happened, so I don't remember who this coffee date was with. Probably my boyfriend at work, I'm guessing, or maybe a coworker. I don't know. But anyways, that cup is from, or the mug is from the Fox and Pip. Both that 3-heart checklist and the meeting sticker are from Rose Colored Days. That's how I marked my meetings this week. And then that really cute bow clip is from Fox and Pip. And I'm just writing all of my meetings down. Nothing exciting. The usual. I tend to find myself having 3 meetings on Tuesdays, so here we go. Now I'm realizing that I totally put my today header in the wrong spot, and I'm replacing it. I think I used Yeah, I did. I used all silver glitter headers for the third box. So the one that wasn't the today and wasn't the black one. And then I really liked that all of the pattern boxes looked like that. I thought that was really pretty. And then I took that like getting ready girl from Fox and Pip to mark, of course, that I was getting a blowout at 6:15. I think I said this in my last video, but I've been having a really bad habit now where I've transitioned not only to getting my hair dry styled, which is where I go with clean hair and get my hair just like straightened and curled for me a couple times a week. I now have been going and getting it like shampooed and washed, and doing that at least once or twice a week, which is, it's such a bad habit. Like, I totally shouldn't do that, but I'm just so lazy that like it's so nice to have somebody else wash my hair. It really is. It's just like so nice. And then just like have it completely done, and then I don't have to worry about it for like, have curly hair, so it's very dry, so I wash it maybe like 2 or 3 times a week depending. And yeah, but it's like a thing that I have, and that's okay. Okay, on to Wednesday. I don't think I did very much on Wednesday. I think I was tired. I don't know why I remember that, but I do. That laundry sticker is from My Newest Addiction. I love those laundry stickers of hers. I think they're all so cute, but I have like they're adorable stickers and I love them, and I have them in multiple, like, I don't know if colorways is the right like thing, but she has different versions of them and I have multiple different versions, but I just have yet to figure out a way to like put it in my planner that makes it look cute and that like I feel like I set it up well. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Anyways, okay, I took the GP Sticker Studio Paint Your Nails same sticker as I did on Monday, and then that planner is from the Fox and Pip. I have been doing a 5-year journal. I started one. I kind of showed it on my Instagram stories the other day. And I've been like I like set it up that day and I wrote a bunch of prompts down and whatever. And it's been really good. I'm a fan. Okay, that to-do script is from a sampler from Rose Colored Days, and then I put it over a cut down 3-heart checklist for some to-dos again. Yeah, and then on to Thursday. So I did the same little trick that I did on Monday for posting my plan with me. I used the other laptop from the kit and the same bow over it. I had like a, I don't know what to call it, like a handbook thing that I was creating due at work. And it was kind of like a big project. Well, not a big project, but just something that like I needed to get done and I had a deadline for it really. So I used that to mark that. And then again, I marked my meetings the same way by cutting down a 3-heart checklist from Rose Colored Days and using the meeting sticker from Rose Colored Days. And then I took the same kind of like patterned half box and a heart from, yeah, that's the Millie colorway, I'm pretty sure. To mark that we did like a little celebration for something at work. And it was, I don't know, I didn't really want to put it as a meeting because it wasn't really a meeting, so I marked it that way. And then I took this like appointment label, pattern appointment label from the sampler and the vacuum from the sampler to mark that I had to prep for the cleaners in the morning. That is what I should be doing right now, by the way. It is also Thursday, 2 weeks later. I should be doing that and not this, but I don't want to get out of bed, so I'm doing a voiceover in bed, and I'll probably wake up early and prep for the cleaners in the morning. Okay, Friday, I am taking the payday sticker from the sampler and the money stack from the sampler. That's neither of those items are included in her new samplers, and I'm so sad. They're like so cute. I wish her icons are still the same. Again, that cleaning bottle is from the sampler, and the freebie sampler, whatever, and the asterisk is from Simply Watercolor Co. And then the coffee cup again is from the sampler, and that's the same bow that I've been using from Clever Gal Crafts. But anyway, she doesn't have any of those icons anymore. They're all different, and they're like solid colored with a white outline, and that's like definitely not a design choice that I'm a fan of. So that's okay. I marked that 2 of my team members were working from home. The box is from the kit, and the push pin is from Mila Print Shop, who's no longer open, unfortunately. And then I just had like a lazy night. I marked that with a half box, and that girl was from GP Sticker Studio. I'm sure if you watch my videos, you know that I do PR for her, so you can always get any of her stickers for 20% off using the code LaurenPR20. But I like to mention it in case you're new or you forgot. I've been liking doing this with the weekend banners. I've been using the Rose Color Days weekend banners and then offsetting them and putting a piece of deco to the right of them from the kit, like a floral, and I think that looks really nice. And I did this the next week too. I took 2 of the like kind of sleepy looking deco pieces, so like a sleeping mask and slippers from the kit, and I layered them on either side and put a sleep in sticker from Rose Color Days. That's from her sampler, and I think that looks super, super cute. And then I took one of the labels from the kit and the important header, an important script from Rose Color Days to mark that my BART parking lot closed. If you watched my video last week, apparently there's a lot of Bay Area planner girls who also feel my pain about BART, because I mentioned that in my last plan with me, because the parking lot closed on Saturday, but I don't commute until Monday, so I marked it on Monday too, but a lot of people commented on that. Okay, Saturday night I had boyfriend at my dinner at my boyfriend's. So I marked that with a heart from Clever Gal Crafts, and just a icon from the kit. And then Munchie, that's my dog. His name is not Munchie. His name is Kobe, but I like exclusively call him Munchie. I really don't call him Kobe, hardly ever. I don't know why. But I was just marking that my parents were going to be, they went up and did like a wine tasting dinner thing for like, I don't know, 7 hours or something on Saturday. So I just wanted to mark that down to remind myself and not to like make plans to do anything, just to be around for him. So he wasn't by himself for all that time. And then Sunday morning, my boyfriend and I went to a Fly Beats class. That Swell water bottle is from GP Sticker Studio. And then I had another blowout, of course, on Sunday. And 12:15. How did I do that? I wonder if I washed my hair and it wasn't actually a blowout. I don't know. But again, that was marked from the sticker. The girl was from Fox and Pip. And then, I'm using a munchkin from the kit to mark Super Bowl Sunday, which I don't actually care about. I did not watch a second of I watched a little bit of the end of the Super Bowl just because like I was eating dinner and it was on, but not because I care at all. Like I could not care less. It's like, if you like sports, good for you, more power to you, but I don't get it. Like it's not my thing at all. But yeah, and then I marked 2 of my other just kind of regular to-dos on Saturday. And yeah, there's my Super Bowl Sunday post, even though I don't really, not my thing at all. Oh, you know what? Now that it's Super Bowl Sunday, I can remember this day. I did get a blowout. I just went to my workout class, took a shower, but didn't wash my hair, and then went straight and got my hair done. Anyways, I'm showing you the spread, I'm trying to show you the foil. I know it's a little shaky, so I apologize for that. But if you want to see this spread, like a picture of it, or you just want to check me out, you can follow me on Instagram at planmoshplan, and you can look in the description below for any more details. Bye, guys.